Hello and welcome back, resellers. Today we're going to explore eBay and learn more about men's cargo pants. We'll find the sell-through rate and price range for 20 brands that sold in the last 90 days. I'll even share some Bolo items. Let's get started. Vintage Abercrombie & Fitch. This is a outdoor paratrooper pants. A current sold is $70, $7.95 shipping. So for this specific style of pants, the rate was 126%. And they usually sell between $50 to $100. This is definitely a Bolo to look out for. Here's a look at the tag and the label. This is a Y2K style, so basically early 2000s. It's more of a baggy pants. Alaskan hard gear. Current sold was $35. Shipping was $8.95. This is an extension of Duluth Trading Company. So here's the label. We've got that big bear paw. This one's mostly cotton. The sell-through rate is 205%. Price range is $20 to $40. 511 Tactical Series. Current sold was $22 and $9.65 shipping. Sell-through rate for these is 88%. Price range is $20 to $40. Here's a close-up of the label. Kith. Current sold was $120, $16.45 shipping. The sell-through rate for this brand is 133%. Understand there were 24 sold out of 18 listings for the last 90 days, so this isn't a large sample size, and a lot of these were going for over $75. Here's a look at the tag. And the outside has a nice patch. Cool. Current sold was $45, $9.65 shipping. This is a zip-off cargo pants, so it actually turns into shorts. Here's a look at the tag. Sell-through rate was 127%, and these go for over $35. This is another Bolo, so we're looking for the vintage military-style cargo pants for polo jeans. So this one sold for $54, $6.99 shipping. And you can see the label here. It's a little different. It's older. This is 100% cotton. And it has this very distressed patch on the side, the American flag. The sell-through rate for this specific pants is 40%. And the prices vary between $75 to $200 depending on which one you have. Arborwear. Current sold was $27.97. Shipping was $6.99. This is more of a workwear pants. It's meant for outdoor labor. Here's the tag. It's made of 89% polyamide and 11% elastane. There's a patch on the outside too. The sell-through rate for these is really high, 236%. But again, this has a small sample size, only 26 sold, 11 listed currently. And most of these go for over $30. Next we have Trip. This is a vintage goth punk wide leg cargo pants. This sold for $129.99 and $14.50 shipping. You can see a lot of detail here, buckles and straps. Here's a close-up of the tag. The sell-through rate is 149%, and a lot of these were going for over $100. Triple Aught. Current sold was $90.79. Shipping was $8.99. This is a tactical work gear type of pants. Here's the logo. And this is made in the USA. Sell-through rate for this is 174%, and a lot of these were going for over $75. The Ex Officio. Current sold was $19. Shipping was $6.99. Here's the outside patch. And here's the tag. This is 100% nylon. Sell-through rate's 33%. And a lot of these were going for around $25. Kickwear. This is another vintage brand. This is from the 90s. A lot of wide legs. They're called rave pants also. This one sold for $100 and $9.99 shipping. And let's get a closer look. So it says Kickwear, just say glow. And these are 100% nylon. The sell-through rate is 134%. They range in price from $100 to $300. Fall Robin. Current sold is $90, $10.40 shipping. Here's a close-up of that tag. These are outdoor hiking pants. Sell-through rate is 98%, and many of them are going for over $75. Willis & Geiger. Current sold was $90, $8.80 shipping. Here's a close-up of the tag. And this is 100% cotton. The sell-through rate was 125%, and this is another small sample. There were only 5 sold and 4 listed, but all of them were going for right around $100. Levi's Silver Tab. So this does not include all Levi's cargo. This is specifically the Silver Tab sub-brand. The current sold was $45, shipping was $10.40. Here's the tag, Levi's Khakis Silver Tab, 100% cotton. Sell-through rate for these cargo pants are 185%, and most of them are going for right around $50 or up. Columbia PFG. Current sold was $17.99, shipping was $6.99. Here's the label. I'm sure most of you have seen Columbia before. This one's a zip off as well, so that means that these legs zip off and it becomes shorts. Sell-through rate for this is 33%. Price range is $15 to $35. Nike ACG. Current sold was $150, $8 shipping. Sell-through rate is 137%, which is great. And they often sell for at least $50 or more. This one sold for very high. Here's a close-up of the label. And this is cotton and polyester. Once again, these are also zip-off pants. And you can see here there's an embroidered logo. Next we have the North Face. So I'm sure you've seen this brand plenty of times. This one sold for $30 and $8.99 shipping. And sell-through rate for this brand is 37%. Price range is $20 to $50, and another zip-off cargo pants. This one actually has a belt. Here's a closer look at the tag. This is 100% nylon. This brand will definitely be easier to find. Stone Island. Current sold was $115, $10.95 shipping. You can see the logo very easily. It's usually a separate tag that's attached. And here's the inside label. And another picture of the tags. Sell-through rate is 95%. And most of these were going for over $100. The MSRP or the store website or the website price was over $400 for one pair of these cargo pants. Patagonia. Current sold was $39.95, $6.99 shipping. Now these don't look like cargo pants just from the picture, but they actually have hidden pockets. So you can see here, there's a zipper pocket and there's another zipper pocket here. Here's the tag. Sell-through rate is 91%, and the prices are between $30 and $40. Our final brand is called Proper Internationals, or it could also be labeled as the Woodland pants. These are official military army pants. This is what military service members wear. And so this one sold for $19.95, $6.99 shipping. I'll give you a close-up of the tag. So you can see here it says trousers, Woodland, camouflage pattern, and it also says Proper International INC. This is 50% cotton, 50% nylon. The material is pretty distinct. It's a little bit more rough feeling. And the sell-through rate for this brand is 71%, and it ranges between $20 and $40. As always, we hope this information was useful to you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know which item categories you'd like us to research in future videos. Thank you for watching!